Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So I think I have never shown you my succulents in morning direct sunlight. It is 6:30 a.m. in the morning and they have already started to receive the first rays of morning direct sunlight, and this is going to last until 10:30 11 a.m. So these are all of the succulents in morning direct sunlight. So it's going to take a little bit more time for the sun to rise some more, and then this pot will also start to get the light. So this is the rain gutter that I had cut in half and created this arrangement for my succulents. Now all of these succulents have the same requirement of light and watering. They are a mix of echeveриas, graptovarias, graptopetalums, sedums. So all of them are doing fantastic. I'll try to go a little bit more closer. As you can see, that beautiful coloration on them. A little bit less color because, as I said, it is the monsoon season, but today luckily we have a good amount of sunlight, so you can see all of them in their best form. During winters these will get even more intense colors, but right now it's just the minimum color that they have, and that's absolutely fine as long as they are healthy. I have more sedums in this corner, Grapto Sedum California Sunset, that's Sedum Golden Glow. And then I have my Purple Delight. So a lot of echeverias, mix of echeverias and graptovarias. This is Luella, my all-time favorite. Next to it is Marpin. I have another Marpin over there, that's Ben Bardi's. So all of them are doing excellent. I also have some Crasulas over here, the baby necklace, which are also doing fantastic. So this is how the morning sunlight tends to look like on these beautiful succulents. Over here the sunlight has not reached yet. It will probably set in after 7:30. So this location is going to get sunlight from 7:30 onwards, but it's already very bright. So the succulents are loving this spot. It's very bright light over here. And eventually they will get their dose of morning direct sunlight from 7:30 onwards, and again after 11 it's going to be the same situation. In fact, after 11 it's going to be even more bright. So the intensity of indirect bright light is very good in this spot. So all of them are looking amazing. It's been now a couple of days ever since the setup was made, and it looks like they are definitely loving this spot. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.